Choosing the right Apple Watch band isn't just about style. It's a game changer for your fitness journey. But here's where it gets controversial. The Sport Band and Sport Loop, two of Apple's most popular options, are like comparing apples and oranges. Both are built for workouts, yet they cater to vastly different priorities. Let's break it down and explore why your choice might spark a debate among fellow Apple Watch enthusiasts. The Apple Watch Sport Band, built to last. If you're the type who values durability over all-weather comfort, the Sport Band is your go-to. Made from fixed silicone, it's a workhorse that survives sweat, rain, and even the occasional gym mishap. Cleaning it is a breeze. Wipe it down, let it dry, and you're good to go. Plus, with 7 color options, including Nike's sporty variants, it's a versatile pick for those who want a bold statement. Pros: unbeatable durability. I've had silicone bands from the original Apple Watch, still looking brand new years later. Easy maintenance. Perfect for swimmers or those who hate dealing with smelly gear. Color variety. More hues to match your mood or outfit. Cons: less 24/7 comfort. The rigid silicone can feel bulky on the wrist over time. Adjustment hassle. Finding the right hole for the pin can be tedious mid-workout. Hashtag the Apple Watch Sport Loop. Comfort meets flexibility. Now, if you crave a band that disappears on your wrist, the Sport Loop is the hero. Crafted from soft nylon, it's a dream for everyday wear and high-intensity sessions alike. The Velcro closure lets you tweak the fit on the fly, which is a lifesaver during HIIT or when your wrist swells mid-run. But here's the catch. While it's stylish and breathable, it demands more care to stay fresh. Pros: all-day comfort. I've worn it for 18 hours straight without a second thought. Instant adjustability. No fiddling with pins, just pull and tighten. Stylish simplicity. The minimalist design works from the office to the track. Cons: durability trade-off. Nylon stretches over time, and snagging a Velcro loop on a gym machine can be catastrophic. Maintenance routine. Regular washing is non-negotiable to prevent odor buildup. I see. The sports dilemma. Which fits your grit? Let's get real. The right band depends on how you train. As someone who's logged hundreds of miles in both, here's the verdict. The Sport Band's waterproof silicone and easy cleaning make it a no-brainer. The Nike version's ventilation holes are a bonus for hot days. For daily warriors, the Sport Loop's flexibility and breathability are unmatched. I've used it for spin classes, yoga, and even trail running, and it never lets me down. But here's the twist. The Sport Loop's positioning of the heart rate sensor matters. Because you can adjust it on the fly, you ensure the sensor sits just right for accurate readings, something the fixed-hole Sport Band can't always guarantee. The price paradox. $49 for two very different visions. Both bands and their Nike counterparts cost $49, with identical sizing and compatibility across all Apple Watch models. Yet the value proposition diverges. The Sport Band is an investment in longevity, while the Sport Loop is a lifestyle choice for comfort-first users. And let's not forget the color game. The Sport Band offers more hues, but the Sport Loop's simplicity makes it easier to pair with everything from boardroom meetings to beach runs. Final verdict: own both or choose wisely. If I had to pick one, the Sport Loop wins for its versatility and comfort. But here's my controversial take. Buy both. Use the Sport Band for slimming and the Sport Loop for everything else. Rotate them to extend their lifespan, and you'll never feel the trade-offs. After all, isn't that the point of owning a smartwatch? To tailor it to your life, not the other way around. Thought for the day. Are you a durability-first user or a comfort-obsessed athlete? Which band would you pick and why? Drop your take in the comments below. Let's settle this once and for all.